it's Tracy and welcome back to my channel. And today I want to share with you my healthy summer routine. Now I know you love routine videos, but today's video is a little bit different and special because I want to share with you what a victorious summer routine looks like. So I partnered up with the Vitamin Shop to bring you this video. And what I really want to ask you is, what does victory look like to you? Now, for me, it means when I'm empowered and I make choice after choice after choice throughout the day that really just helps me live my #best life. I want to hear from you. What does victory look like to you? So make sure to leave it in the comments below. And I'm going to take you through my day while I make these choices. So you probably know that the Vitamin Shop has vitamins, minerals, and supplements, but if you haven't gone into the store or visited online in a while, you might not know that they also carry hair care, body care, aromatherapy, herbs, herbal supplements, and so much more. I always think of it as like my one-stop shop for all things healthy. So today I want to share with you what a victorious day looks like. We're going to go through the morning and the afternoon, and I'm going to share with you some of my tricks and hacks so that you too can have more victorious days.
Starting off my day with water is essential. So I try to drink as much water as I can, especially in the beginning part of the day. So one of my hacks is starting off in a mason jar and filling the whole thing, and I add a splash of the apple cider vinegar. And today I decided to add some frozen blueberries to jazz it up. It makes it so good and it almost tastes like kombucha. So already winning. Next up is breakfast. So I made a green smoothie. I love having greens first thing in the morning. It just makes me feel healthy and energized, and I always consider this a victory if my breakfast includes some greens. Time for win number 3, and that is a workout. So I always log into my Total Body Transformation and I check out which workout do I feel like doing that day if I don't feel like following the calendar. And so for today, I decided to go with the supermodel workout, which uses bands and body weight and gliders. Oh my gosh, those mountain climbers are so hard, but gotta get that workout in if you want to be victorious. So now I am dressed, showered, and leaving my house. It was an absolutely gorgeous day in New York, and this beautiful early summer day. And my local Vitamin Shop is just a few blocks away from my home. So here I am at my local Vitamin Shop. I'm checking out some of the goodies that I want to pick up, and I definitely got a lot of things on this haul. These are some of the homeopathic remedies that they have, which I think these things are so cool. They also, remember, they have hair care and skin care, so it's not just vitamins and supplements there. Let's bring all of these goodies that I picked up at the Vitamin Shop back to my house, and I will show you absolutely everything that I picked up.
Let's get started with my personal Windex, which is the Bragg's apple cider vinegar. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know that this is like my #bestie. I absolutely love this. I use it for salads, but I use it a lot in my smoothies, so that's a great thing because it is a prebiotic. It's awesome. You always want to get one with the mother, okay? That's that like kind of sediment looking stuff underneath, but it's also great for your scalp. I use it on my hair, my scalp, so I get dry scalp, I use it there. It's great for a hair rinse, so it is awesome. It's delicious, and it's really cool. You should try it if you never have in a smoothie because it actually gives sort of a pineapple type of flavor. So I love me some Bragg's apple cider vinegar. Another thing that I picked up is the Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. These are so awesome. Like if you haven't tried this yet, you have to. So collagen is really good for your hair, your skin, your nails, your joints. It's really, really amazing. And this particular brand I really like. It's grass-fed, and most importantly, it has no flavor at all. So you can literally put a scoop of this in your coffee and make like a collagen latte. So you're, having beautiful hair, skin, nails, and no achy joints while drinking your coffee. It's awesome. We're gonna stay on the smoothie train, and I picked up, and I have, this is my second container of this, I absolutely love it. This is the Sun Warrior Blend Chocolate Organic Protein. This is delicious. Yes, there's a lot of really great health benefits involved in this, but it tastes so good. It doesn't have like a chalky taste. It dissolves really well. So this is great, yes, for smoothies and smoothie bowls, but it's also great for cooking with as well. So making pancakes with it, you can make cookies with it. So just a scoop of this. So you're getting a little bit of extra protein. It's green protein, and it's really good and yummy. I picked up this tea, and I've actually never had it before. I've had this kind of tea, but not this brand and not this flavor before, so I'm really excited to try this. This is the Organic India Tulsi tea, which Tulsi is basically holy basil. It's, very, very good for stress relieving. It's just kind of mellows you out a little bit. So in the evening, I like to have just like a nice warm cup of tea as I'm kind of chilling out and watching TV. And ginger is very good for your digestion, so I'm really excited to give this a try. And turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties in it, so this is great. And I'm really excited to give this a try. I'm sure it's gonna be absolutely delicious, and we'll check it out. I'll let you know. I tend to be a light sleeper, so one of the things that I got was the Natural Vitality Natural Calm. This one is raspberry and lemon flavor, and it's really good, really, really good. I also had the lemon, but I picked up this raspberry because it's summer and why not? Let's have a party. It matches my dress that has lemons on it. Magnesium is really good if you have trouble sleeping. It kind of can soothe you, helps with your muscles. So this is a great, great product. And I actually use it not every night, but I use it a couple nights during the week. And if I'm feeling a little bit stressed out, this can help me to just kind of relax, and I just have a better sleep. A lot of people are magnesium deficient, so if you live an urban life, you basically have stress in your life. So basically it's like pretty much anyone that has like a stressful life, this is a great thing to check out, and I highly stand behind it. I had to get a treat. So I don't eat a lot of bars and packaged food. I try to keep it as real as possible, but sometimes you're in a pinch. So these bars, one of my clients, Liz, turned me on to it. Hey, Liz. This is the Boo Fit bars, and they are so good. You have to tell me when you try these. They're delicious. This is the Double Dark Chocolate. I like it because it just has really good ingredients. They're really well sourced. It's non-GMO. They use egg white protein in it. It has 14 grams of protein in it, 10 grams of fiber, and only 1 gram of sugar. So it's not a creepy bar. I like that it's kind of small, but it's really dense in flavor. So for me, this would be a great thing if I'm like traveling, or if I am, just kind of on the go and I really need something so I don't get hangry and then just eat any junk that's in front of me. This is a great solution for you. Again, I picked up something that I've never tried before because I was in there, and they have such a great selection of hair and body products in the vitamin shop. So I got this. This is the Nubian African Black Soap. The reason why I got this is I was having a little problem with eczema on my forehead, and I actually messaged with you guys on Instagram, and someone recommended trying black soap. So I saw it there. It smells really good. It has a little bit of a scent, but it's not like overpowering. It has shea butter in it. It's cruelty-free, and it has aloe vera, oats, vitamin E in it. So I can tell this is gonna be really moisturizing. So I'm really excited to give this a try, and I'll definitely let you know what I think about this. So this is a raw organic honey. When you're getting honey, you always want raw. In order to get the properties that are really powerful in honey, raw is best to get. So this one I'm really excited. I've never tried this brand before, so we were out of honey and I saw it there and I was like, great, I'm gonna pick some up. I'm sure it's gonna be great. It is honey from, I saw this, it's from Brazil and Canada. So good places for bees. So yeah, great. Obviously I can use this in tea and in cooking, but also I do like a honey face mask, which is so good for your skin. Or if you get any pimples or any breakouts, just dab a little bit of honey on it. That was actually the other thing that I was doing for that little bit of eczema that I had. I was alternating between coconut oil and putting some honey on at night, just kind of massaging it in, and it really helps. So it's food and it's a beauty tool as well. So double packed power in here. And the last thing that I got was this Mill Creek Botanicals Biotin shampoo. Biotin is what helps your hair to get strong and grow. So I'm excited to try this, and I like this one because it has peppermint and argan oil. How does it smell? Ooh, it smells really good. Wow. Ooh, it smells like a spa. It has that like really minty kind of invigorating smell. It is cruelty-free, no parabens, no sulfates, so definitely excited to give this a try. And I was out of shampoo, so win-win.
So back outside and enjoying the park in my neighborhood. Anytime I get to go to the park, that is an absolutely victorious day for me. Living in New York, it's so important to have some green and some trees and just really enjoy the city. And there's always so much to see, so I feel really lucky. Now I'm realizing I'm hungry, so I'm going to go and pick up some lunch. So I went to a juice bar in my neighborhood. I'm not vegetarian or vegan, but I do find that my energy feels best when I eat more plant-based, especially during the day. So I picked up this incredible vegan raw ravioli. Oh my gosh. It was with cashew cheese and just amazing. Total win.
So I thought I needed.
Thank you so much for spending time with me today with my healthy summer routine and my victorious day. I really do want to hear from you. What are some of the choices that you make that make your day victorious? So make sure that you leave me a comment down below because I love interacting with you guys. Honestly, love it. Also, I want to let you know that I've hooked you up. It was really important for me to give you guys a discount code.
In the description box below, use my code to save 10% off any orders of $50 or more at the Vitamin Shop online.
So spend $50 or more and get $10 off by using my code. So that's what I've got for you today. Thank you again for spending time with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!